Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 8th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of October 2024, our system has identified Google as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 5.1%. This equates to an average return of 0.57% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock resides in the upper section of a broad and relatively weak rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $182.45 would initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 6.16% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 7.44% to positive 7.68%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 24.35% over the next year, with a potential return between 8.28% and 42.77%. This translates to a price range between $194.76 to $256.79 after a year. Our latest daily update on Google presents the headline, "Evaluation of Google stock downgraded after the last trading session." The price of Google stock decreased by 1.33% on the last day, which was Friday, the 8th of November 2024, falling from $182.28 to $179.86. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 1.54%, with a low of $179.58 and a high of $182.35. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 7.71% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also declined on the last day, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with stock performance. On that day, trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2,530 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $193.30, while the lowest was $129.40. Currently, the price stands 6.95%, or $13.44, below the 52-week high, and 92.88%, or $2,347.13, below the all-time high recorded on June 11th, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,526.99. Alphabet, trading under the ticker symbol GOOG, is currently positioned to attract attention in the stock market following several key developments. The internet services industry is gaining traction, highlighted by a positive growth outlook, declining interest rates, and appealing valuations. Analysts are backing Alphabet alongside Shopify and Uber as enticing investment choices. Investors focusing on growth should take note of Alphabet's strong growth potential with expectations of exceptional returns. Wall Street's bullish outlook on the stock typically impacts its price performance, as changes in analyst ratings tend to influence investor sentiment and trading decisions. Moreover, Google's cloud division is emerging as a significant growth driver, particularly as its traditional search business faces challenges. This shift emphasizes Alphabet's resilience and adaptability in a dynamic market. Additionally, the recent political shifts following Donald Trump's election victory could pave the way for favorable conditions for tech stocks like Alphabet, influencing regulatory environments and potentially easing antitrust scrutiny. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned a neutral grade to Google with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, BMO Capital rated Google as outperform with a hold recommendation. Also on that Wednesday, Morgan Stanley gave Google an overweight rating with a hold action. Oppenheimer, on the same date, rated Google as outperform with a hold recommendation. Finally, Pivotal Research assigned a buy grade to Google, also with a hold recommendation on that day. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Google. Google's stock is currently exhibiting buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support around $175.41 and $168. If the stock breaks below either of these levels, it will generate sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has also been noted from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact the near-term development of the stock. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, resulting in a decline of 1.33%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 35 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggested a buy signal 10 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 36 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Google finds support from accumulated volume at $176.14. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be moderate. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.77 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.54%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 1.62%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year 2024 is expected on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.11. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $182.28. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already shareholders, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $176.14. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Google from multiple analyst sources is buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 17th of June, 2024, when Chavez R. Martin conducted an insider purchase of 5 shares of Class C Google stock units. Our recommended stop loss is set at $172.48, reflecting a decrease of 4.1%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Recently, there was a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Google stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Google stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical landscape, we have adjusted our analysis from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 11th of November, we anticipate Google to open up by approximately 73 cents, starting at $180.60. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions about buying or selling securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.